Can anyone give me the formula of subnet? Yes, Miss Golfo.
Subnet equals 2 raised to borrowed bits.
Okay. Now, with that formula, how can we get 5 subnets? Anyone? With the formula be given by Miss Golfo, how can we get 5 subnets? Yes, Mr. Briley.
Sir,
Janza?
2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 minus 2.
Uulitin ko yung formula na binigay ni Miss Golfo. Again, Miss Golfo, what is the formula again?
Subnet equals 2 raised to borrowed bits.
Okay. Mr. Aquino, again. Mr. Atienza, what did you say?
2 raised to 3.
Bakit may minus 2 kanina?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. We are still not yet learning. Okay. So the formula is 2 raised to 3. This would give us 8 subnets. Okay? We need 5, but we cannot actually get 5. Okay? We are actually allocated with 8. That's why I have here A, B, C, D. This is the required subnet. Since we get 8, I have to include F, G, H because we actually get 8 subnets. Now, next question. With 8 subnets, so how many hosts per subnets are there? How many hosts per subnets are there?
Six po.
Where did you get 6?
Uh, 2 to the power of, the borrowed bits minus 2 po.
2 to the power of borrowed bits. So that is 2 raised to 8 minus 2. That's a formula. Pinagsama mo yung formula ng subnets at saka ng hosts per subnet.
Ah,
What is the
so,
formula for hosts per subnet?
Sir, 2 raised to remaining bits minus 2 po.
What is the remaining bits now?
5 po, sir.
5. Minus 2, that would give you
30 po.
30. So you need 30 hosts per subnet. Based on your topology, can 30 hosts accommodate your required number of hosts?
Yes po, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What is the required number of hosts for A?
25.
25. What is the required hosts for B?
20 po.
20 po.
How about C?
15 po.
D?
2 po.
E?
2
2
rin
din
po.
po.
F.
0 po.
Okay. Wala naman kasi tayong requirement doon, ano? So it's not 0. Wala siyang requirement doon. So just leave it blank. All right. Since we need 25, 20, 15, 2, and 2, how many hosts are allocated per subnets?
Thirty po.
How many hosts are allocated per subnets? Based on our computation, that's
30 po.
30. So all of this will be given 30. Okay? Now, the given network address is 192.168.5.0. 192.168.5.0. Okay. We have borrowed 3 bits. Given 192.168.5.0 is last 24, you have borrowed 3 bits. So therefore, what is our mask here? Anong magiging mask natin? Yes, Mr. Geron.
/27 po.
Plus 27. Okay. So the mask is slash 27. The mask of all the network here is slash 27. So pare-parehas po sila. Kaya nga fixed length subnet mask. Diba? Okay. Now, what is the equivalent subnet mask of slash 27? What is the equivalent subnet mask of slash 27?
225.225.225.224 po.
Mali po. What is the equivalent subnet mask? Ano na mga kapatid? Anong balita? Sinasabayan ko lang po yung inyong energy.
Sir, subnet mask po. Sir?
Yeah, subnet mask nga. Di ba? Hindi ka nakikinig. Mr. Sino to? Mr.
Sir,
Velasquez.
ano po kasi, I thought you were lagging po, kaya I wasn't responding.
No, I'm not. Kakakasabi ko lang, di ba? Sinasabayan ko yung inyong napakataas na energy.
Okay.
Okay, so kung ganyan yung energy nyo na ipapakita sa akin, I'll give you the same energy that you've given me. Okay.
Copy, sir.
What is the
Sir,
subnet
I'll
mask?
answer it na lang po. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.224 po.
Very good. Sino sumagot kanina ng 224.224.224? It's incorrect. Di ba? It's 255.255.255.224. Where did you get 224? Mr. Velasquez. Where did you get 224?
Sir, yung 224 po. The, ano po, yung the remaining bits po na natira.
Mali po. You are
An-
guessing.
Sir, yung ano po, like, um, the last octet po, I added the values of yung 111. Kasi 20/27 po siya. So 111 po. So that's 128 plus 64 plus 32 po.
Correct. Yun yung inaantay kong sagot. It's not a remaining bit. That is
Copy, sir.
part of plus 27.
Yes po.
Okay? Kasi tayo dalawa lang na mag-usap dito. Kasi iba yung classmate, walang pakialam. Now, so given the subnet mask, okay? So what is the first usable IP? Yes, Mr. Dueñas.
The first usable IP po is 192.168.5.1 po.
Ano yung last usable IP?
192.168.5.30 po. 30.
How did you get it?
Sir, because the 5.0 po, that's the network address po. And then the 5.31 po is the broadcast address. Then yung the next po is for the next router na po. Sa B na po.
How did you get the last IP address, 5.30?
Sir, nag -2 lang po ako. Because the
Minus 2.
yes po.
Nag-minus 2 ka saan?
Sa 32 po, sir.
Saan mo nakuha yung 32? Anyone? Why is it or how did you get 192.168.5.30? Mr. Binasquez.
Sir, is it because of the allocated hosts po na 30 po siya? So from 1 to 30 po. Excluding yung the host and the broadcast po.
Ito po yan, no? Ang network address mo ay
Dot zero
.5.0,
po.
di ba?
Yes po.
30. So therefore 5.30. Simple as that. What is the broadcast address now? Ano po yung
192.168.5.
broadcast address?
That 31 po.
31. Okay. 5.31. Ano yung next na network address para sa host 2?
192.168.5.
192.168.5.32 po.
First usable. Yes, Mr. Atienza.
192.168.5.33.
Last usable. What is the last usable IP within that range?
.62 po.
How did you get it? Don't tell me it's a guess. There should be
From the
a
network
formula.
address po. Network address plus allocated host.
That is
32 plus 30 po.
okay. Very good. What is the broadcast address?
.63 po.
All right. What is the next network address?
.64 po.
Okay, 192.168.5.64. What's the next, or what's the starting IP?
That
192.168.5.65.
What is the last usable IP?
192.168.5.64.
94.
Oh, sorry, wait. 94, sorry.
94. How did you get 94? How did
network
you get 94?
network og sorry. Network address plus allocated host po.
Okay. Iba kayong iba dyan, hindi na, wala rin pakialam. Okay? Ito po yun. I-add mo yung 64 na yan at saka yung allocated host. That would give you 94. What's the broadcast?
.95 po.
What is the next network address?
.96 po.
What is the first usable IP?
97 po.
Last usable?
106 po. Ay, wait.
Again, how did you get 106?
126 po. 126 po, sir.
How did you get 126?
Add po yung network address to the allocated host po.
What is that network address?
96 po.
And 96 end.
And allocated host of 30 po.
Okay, very good. What is the broadcast?
127 po. 192.168.5.127.
Okay, what is the next network address?
192.168.5.128.
128. First usable?
192.168.5.129.
Last usable?
158.
How did you get it?
By adding the network address to the allocated host, which results in the last dotted decimal to be 158.
Okay, what is the broadcast address?
192.168.5.159.
What's the next network address?
160.
Okay. First usable?
.161 po.
Last usable?
190.
Broadcast?
191.
Next network address?
192 po.
Starting IP?
193 po.
Last usable.
212 po.
Sorry?
212 po. Wait. 192 plus
222.
200.
What is the last or the broadcast address?
Two two four.
220.
Sure kayo dyan sa binigay nyo? $192 plus 30?
Oh, 222 po
22.
for last usable.
This one is?
223 po.
Okay. What's the last network address?
.224 po.
224.
Starting IP?
225.
Last usable?
254.
And the broadcast?
255.
Okay. Are there any questions?
None po.
Okay. Sige. Hindi na ako mangungulit kung magtatanong. Kasi wala namang magtatanong. So, diretso natin. Okay. So, I'm going to discuss VLSM. With VLSM, our focus is basically on the formula hosts per subnet. Okay? We don't care about the number of subnets. We care about the number of hosts. Wala tayong pakialam sa subnets. Ang pakialam lang natin ay hosts per subnet. So the formula that we're going to use is 2 raised to remaining bit minus 2. Did you get it? Naintindihan?
Yes po.
Okay, now, let's start. Again, what is the given IP? The given IP is 192.168.5.0. Correct? Tama po ba?
Yes po.
All right. 192.168.5.0 is last 24. According to the table, okay, in VLSM, you have to create a table and arrange the number of hosts in descending order. So it should be in descending order. Now, if I need 25 hosts using the formula of subnets, how would I get 25? Paano ako makakakuha ng 25? Yes, Mr. Achanza.
To get the allocated host, you solve for it by using 2 raised to the number of available. Wait. 2 raised to 5 minus 2 to get 30, so that it covers the required host of 25
Okay.
and the subnet.
So you've got 2 raised to 5. Tama? That would give you 32 minus 2. That's 30. Correct?
Yes po.
Okay, now, how many bits have you considered? That is 2 raised to 5. Correct? 2 raised to 5. What is the size of an IPv4 address?
32 bits.
32 bits.
32 bits. 32 bits minus 5. Thirty-two minus
27.
5.
27 po.
27?
So this is slash 27. Okay, this is slash 27. So the subnet mask of slash 27 is 255.255.255.224. Okay. Now, what is the usable IP? Starting IP is 192.168.5.1. Last usable, this is 5. This is 0 plus 30, that is 192.168.5.30. Broadcast address is 192.168.5.31. Any questions on the first row? Any questions on the first row? Yes, Mr. Atienza.
Sir, may I ask how do you get the subnet mask using the mask provided?
Pakiulit ng tanong.
May I ask how did you get the subnet mask using the available information, sir?
Kung saan ko kinuha yung subnet mask? Di ba slash 27? What is slash 27? What is slash 27? 27 na 1. Ano yung 27 na 1? Mr. Atienza, ikaw tatanungin ko. Kung lahat ng 1 sa first octet ay naka 1, ilan yon?
Eight?
Walong 1. 8 ba yun? Mr. Velasquez.
255 po.
Okay, very good. 255 ha, Mr. Atienza. Kailan pa naging 8 yung walong 1? Number systems pa lang pinag-uusapan natin. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kailan pa naging 8 yan? Ikaw, Mr. Atienza. Kailan to magiging 8?
Sorry, sir. I
Diba?
miscounted.
Hindi yan magiging 8. That's 255, correct?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ilan to? 16?
Yes po, sir.
16. Mr. Velasquez, ilan po yan?
255 pa rin po, sir.
So, with that 16 ones, how do you read it?
255.255 po.
Okay, very good. Dagdagan ko ulit ng 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Atienza, can you read it?
255. .255.255.
Now you know. Ilang ones yan, Mr. Atienza? Mr. Atienza, ilang one po yan?
Wait. 24?
24. Ilan ba yung stats natin?
Slash. 27 po.
27. Bilangin mo ngayon yan. How do you read it?
Oh, okay.
Ay, Mr. Atienza, tagal-tagal na natin, no? Sa number systems pa yan, tinuro ko na yan. Ngayon, matatapos na tayo sa IP addressing. Hindi niya pa rin na-appreciate. Okay, mag-aral po, ha? Para hindi naglalakad sa pansitan. Okay. Next. Any other questions? Questions? Wala. Okay. Next. We need 20. Kailangan ko ng 20 hosts. What is my allocated hosts? Anyone? Kailangan ko ng 20. Ilan yung allocated sa akin? Using the formula 2 raised to the bits minus 2. Yes, Mr. Giron.
30 pa rin po.
30 pa rin. Okay, so this is 31. So my next network address is 192.168.5.32. Okay, and that is slash 27 still. Okay, usable IP 192.168.5.33. 32 plus 30 is 192.168.53.
62.
The broadcast address is 192.168.5.63. Any question on this? So what I'm saying is, pag mali ka sa unahan, so first row pa lang mali ka na, the rest will be incorrect. So there is no reason para ituloy yung checking yan. On my quiz, you have to get the entire table correct to earn points. Pag isa dyan mali, wala ka makukuhang score. Okay? Next. I need 15 hosts. How many is the allocated?
Still 30, sir.
Same, 30. So this is the same. Okay, 2 raised to 5. 32 minus 5 is that's 27. Okay, this ends at 63. My next network address is 192.168.5.64. Starting IP 192.168.5.65. Bakit 53 to? 5. 5. Okay. What is the last usable IP? What is the last usable IP?
192.168.5.94.
94 is 64 plus 30? 94. Broadcast 192.168.5.95. Next, I need 2. What is the allocated IP?
Still
What
30,
is my
sir.
allocated host? Ang dami naman nun, kuya. Sigurado ka. 30? Eh di naging ano yan, FLSM yan. Kung 30 pa rin yan.
2 hosts lang po, sir.
2 hosts. How did you get 2?
2 raised to 2 minus 2.
2 raised to 2 minus 2. Correct? 2 raised to 2 minus 2. 32 minus 2? 32 minus 2.
29. Ay, 30 po, sir.
Come on.
30 po, sorry, sir. Na-misheard ko po. Kala ko 31.
So 30 is 255.255.255.252. Correct? Tama po ba? Hey, slash 30 is 255.255.255.252. Okay. What is our network address here? 192.168.5.96. So since you have there 2, napakadali naman yan. Ano? 192.168.5.97 and 192.168.5.98. Broadcast 192.168.5. What?
99 po.
99. Okay. For 2 hosts, ilan ang kailangan natin?
Two hosts.
Two hosts. Okay? So this is slash 30. Pa rin? Usable. This is 192.168.5.
100.
100. Starting IP, 192.168.5.
101.
101 po.
101. Last usable,
102.
103.
ewan ko sa'yo. 103 ka dyan. Kaya naging 103 yung last usable. Okay. Broadcast address. Any questions? Naintindihan po yung VLSM.
Yes po.
Okay. Now, ibahin natin. Okay. Most of these examples that I have, medyo madadali, ano? Medyo pisilin natin ng konti yung mga utak natin. Let's shift to Class B. In a Class B network, you are given 172.16.00/16. Okay, 172.16.00/16. Now, let's say you are given the hosts. Ang kailangan natin host ay 5,000. 2,300. 1,500. 100. 2 and 2. Okay, now. If you are given a Class B IP address, how many hosts are possible? If you are given an IP address of Class B like 172.16.00/16, how many hosts are possible?
Around 65,000 po, sir.
Yes, correct. Around 65,000. Ganon karami yung IP address natin. Okay. Now, if I need 5,000 hosts, what is my allocated hosts? How would I get 5,000? Using the formula 2 raised to the remaining bits minus 2. How would I get 5,000? Yes, Mr. Atienza.
2 raised to 13 minus 2.
All right. So imagine if you have 2 raised to 13, that would give you 8,190 hosts. Okay? Can we use 12?
No po, sir.
No, because 12 would give you only 4,094. Ang kailangan natin ay more 5,000. So the allocated host is 8,190. Okay? That is 13 bits. Okay, 2 raised to 13. 32 minus 13. 32 minus 13.
19 po.
19 po.
19. So you'll have slash 19 there. Okay, what's the network address? Network address is 172.16.00/19. What is the subnet mask for slash 19? What is the subnet mask for slash 19?
255.255.224.
Correct. Okay, eto tayo ngayon. What is the first usable IP? First usable. Ano ngayon yung last usable? Can anyone guess? What is the last usable or maybe the broadcast address para pabalik tayo magsusolve? Anyone who has a wild guess?
8,190 po, sir.
May ganun ba tayong IP address? 8,000 plus?
Parang
Di ba
wala
hanggang
naman po.
255 lang tayo?
Wala.
Hanggang 255 lang tayo. Using the shortcuts that I thought last time, if all the host bits are 0, what does it mean? If all the host bits are 0, what does it mean? What are you getting if all the host bits are 0?
Network address.
Network address. May network address na tayo. Ayan, oh. What if all the host bits are 1? What does it mean?
Broadcast address po.
Broadcast address. So, therefore, makukuha natin yung broadcast address. Okay? You've got /19 dito. /19. Ilan yung natitira kung /19 yan? Ilan yung natitira kung /19 yan? Diba 32 bits yan? Ilan yung
13
natitira
po.
sa host bits? Sorry?
13 po.
13. Okay, 13 yung natitira. Okay? 172.16. 13 yung natitira. Yung 8 doon sa dulo is 255. Correct? Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ilan yung natitira sa third octet?
5.
5. Kung lahat ng 5 na yon naka 1, what is that? Yung natitirang 5 sa third octet, 5 ones, lahat naka 1. Ilan po ang equivalent nun?
248 po.
Mali. Ilan ang equivalent na natitirang 5 bits doon sa third octet? Sino sumagot ng 5? Miss Isabella, ikaw ba yun?
Yes, sir.
That's correct. Ngayon, kung lahat ng 1 na yon, na 5 na 1, ano equivalent doon sa decimal?
248.
Mr. Atienza, mag-compute ka nga. Kasi hindi po siya 248. Huwag kang manghula at kunin yung sagot sa buwan. Hindi po yan. Ilan po?
31 po.
Correct,
31.
31. Di ba 31 yung limang 1 sa dulo?
Yes po.
So, ang dulo ay 172.16.31.255. Ano ngayon yung last usable? $31.254. Nagulantang kayo ngayon, ano? Kasi nanghihiram tayo sa kabilang octet. Are there any question on the first row? Any questions on the first row? Wala. Kung wala, ididiretso ko yan. May tanong po o wala?
Sir, question po.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yung sa 31 po, how did we get that po ulit?
Slash 19, di ba, Mr. Velasquez? Ano
Yes po.
pagkakaintindi mo sa slash 19? Ano yung tinuro ko sa slash 19?
Yun po yung um
Pwede mo bang pakialaman yung slash 19?
no sir, hindi po.
Hindi. So, fix yun. Tama?
Yes po.
Hanggang saan yung slash 19?
Until the third octet po.
Yung slash 19. 172.16.123 slash 19, di ba? Ilan na to?
Yes po.
16, 17, 18, 19.
19. Yes po.
Boost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kung network to, eto automatic kung lahat yan naka 1, ilan yon?
255 po.
Ayun yon, di ba? Yung 255. Etong natitirang host dito, kung lahat yan naka 1, ilan yan?
Okay. Copy sir. Add po sila. 31.
Okay, very good.
Oh,
Okay,
copy po.
nice. You got it right. Hindi nyo po kasi iniintindi yung tinuro ko nung nakaraan. Ayan. Class B yan. Ang exam nyo, ibibigay ko sa inyo, Class A. Di ba? Yung million yung hosts. So you have to understand it very well. Sino pang may tanong? Any other questions? Walang tanong? Kung wala pong tanong, diretso ko yan. Questions? I assume na naintindihan nyo. Wala? Wala? Walang tanong, mga kapatid?
None po sir.
Okay, good. Let's move on. Next. So my network address here is 172.16.32.0. Correct? Tama po ba? Kasi 31 yung dulo doon, 31.255. So therefore, this is 32.0. Okay. I need 2,300 hosts. 2,300 hosts. So how would I get 2,300 hosts?
Two raised to 12 po.
2 raised to
12 po.
2 raised to 12. Okay? Tama ba narinig ko? 2 raised to 12?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. 2 raised to 12 would give you 4,094. Ang kailangan ko ay 2, 3. Paano kung 11? Kaya ba ng 11?
No
Hindi
po, sir.
No po sir.
Hindi. Kulang. Di ba? 2,046 lang yan, no? So, therefore, this is 4094. 12. Di ba? 2 raised to 12. Correct?
Yes po.
Hey. Okay. 32 minus 12, ilan?
20 po. 20 po.
20 po.
So this is slash 20 here. Okay. What is slash 20? That is 255, the 255, the 255, oh sorry, 255, 255 dot slash 20. Hey. Ayan tayo, hindi pa rin marunong
240
magbilang.
40 po.
240.0. Okay. 240. Di ba pinapakabisado ko sa inyo yung mga slash notation? Anyway. mahirap mag-remind ng paulit-ulit na hindi niya ginagawa, no? Pero mas mahirap, guys, umulit ng siskuhan. Okay? So, anong gusto nyo? Paulit-ulit kong gawin or remind kayo or paulit-ulit kayo mag-take ng siskuhan? Kasi ayaw nyo intindihin. The choice is yours. Okay? It's your choice. Now, what is the first usable IP here? This is 172.16.32.1.
1 po.
Okay. Ano ngayon yung broadcast address? What is the broadcast address? Lahat daw ng host naka-1. Asan ba yon? Okay, ito yon. /20 hanggang saan yon? Kasama to. Di ba? This is 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So hanggang dito yung network natin. Ayan. Ano ngayon yung broadcast? Ayan, iwawan natin lahat yan. No? So this, yung dulo niyan ay 255. Okay. Ano yung third octet?
15 po.
15. Correct.
Yes po.
15, nakikita mo to?
Yes, sir. Oh. Okay. Yes po. Add po pala.
Di ba? I-add mo. Bakit mo iniwan? Di ba? I-add mo yon? Kasi meron ka rito, ilan ba to? 32. Ang nakuha mo rito ay 15. So 32 plus 15 is 47.255. What is the last usable IP daw? 172.16.
47.254.
Okay. Any question on the second row? Any question on the second row?
None po.
Wala. Okay. Next. Third row tayo. What is the next network address? .48.0. Okay. I need 1,500. Kailangan ko ng 1,500. How would I get 1,500?
2 over 10 po. Which
2 over
is
10. So tingnan natin. 2 over 10 would give you 1,022. Kulang yon, kapatid.
ay 2 over 11 po, sir. Sorry.
2 over 11. That would give you 2,046. Correct. 2046. 32 minus 11?
21 po.
21 po.
21. So it's last 21. Okay. Now, subnet mask is last 21. 255.255.2 ilan?
248 po.
248.0? Okay. Ito na naman tayo. Usable IP 172.16 48.1. Last usable IP. Doon tayo sa broadcast muna. Mas madali. What is our broadcast address? This is last 21. So, ilan na to? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Masasama ulit ito. Hihiramin natin itong isang H na yan. Gagawin natin N. It's last 21. So, therefore, this is 172.16.
55 po.
255. Ilan yung nasa gitna?
55 po.
48 plus
plus 7 po.
7. 55. So therefore, the range would be 172.16.55.254. Gets?
Yes po.
All right. How about the others? Kumusta? Anong balita? Nagkahabulan na sa Senado? Nadapa na si Bato? Anong balita sa inyo? Okay. Questions? Are there any questions? Mukhang tatlo lang yung kausap ko estudyante rito, no? Si Velasquez, si Figueroa, si Atienza, at saka si... Sino ba isa? Ayan. Ayan. Ilan ba tayo rito? Ang dami yata natin dito, ah. Tatlo lang yung nakakausap ko. Anyway, sige. Any questions po?
None po, sir.
Ano po, sir?
Okay. So, sige. Sabi niya, masunurin ako. Wala daw tanong. Okay. Next. I need 100. 100. Ilan ang allocated? Kung kailangan ko ng 100.
2 raised to 7.
Tingnan natin. 7 would give you 126. 6 would give you 62. Kulang. Okay? So that is 2 raised to 7. 32 minus 7.
25 po.
So this is his last 25. What is his last 25?
128 po.
128. Okay? So kailangan natin dito ng 126. Okay. Ano others natin? 172.16. Ilan to?
56 po.
56.0. First usable. Napakadali yung tanong na nun. 172.16. 56.1. Okay. Broadcast. Mas madali makuha yung broadcast. Broadcast address is last 25. So ilan na to? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, hanggang doon pala. 25. Ayan. So yung tatlo na to. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 25. Correct?
Yes po.
All right. Now, ano ngayon yung ating broadcast address?
One point 0.56 po. 0.56 and 0.127 po. 127.
127. How did you get it?
Add po the network address to the allocated host po.
Okay. Oo, doon na tayo. Madali na lang kasi 100 na lang yan, di ba? Magagawa mo yan, yung formula na yan, kapag less than 256 ka. Okay? I-add mo lang. Pero dito, paano mo nakikita yan dito? Huwag mong i-add. Tingnan mo rito sa ginagawa natin na to. This is okay, this is 7 bits. If these are all ones, what does it mean? That is 127. Ito po yun. Nakuha? Hey. Yan po.
Yes po.
Ayun na,
Yes po.
ayun na naman nila sa magot. Sige. 172.16. This is 56.126. Alright. 2. Ang hirap nito. Allocated hosts.
So lang po, sir.
2. Network address 192.16.56.
57. 56.
57 ka dyan. Bakit naging 57?
128.
Yeah, hindi pa naman tayo nakakarating na 12 ng 255, di ba? Nasa 127 pa lang tayo, oh. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So
Opo.
ang next is 128. Okay. 2. That's 2 raised to 2. 32 minus 2.
30.
30.
Okay, very good. This last 30. What is last 30? Lagi kong ginagamit yan. Ilan yan?
Two five five point 255.255.224.
224 ka dyan. Saan galing yung 224?
252 po.
Ay, sorry, sir. Nalito ako.
Hey! Hoy! Halika ko nga yung PowerPoint. Okay. Tayong kapatid. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, kabisaduhin ito mga to. Ayan. Diba? Ito, slash 23. Slash 28, 240. Slash 29, 248. Slash 30, 252. Ako lang, kakabisaduhin mo lang naman dyan is 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252. Tapos, ulit-ulit lang naman yan. 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, 255. Nakuha po ba?
Yes po.
Hindi nyo makabisado to. 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, hanggang 255. Mauulit-ulit dito yan. 128, 192, 224, 240, 248, 252, 254, 255. Nako, masyado tayo masipag, mga kapatid. Ayan, tuloy. Sobrang sipag natin, hindi na natin alam yan. Anyway, okay. Usable, 172.16 dot. 56 dot.
129 po.
129. Dulo.
One three zero.
Hey. 130. Correct. Broadcast.
Dot 131.
131 po.
All right. 131. What is the next broadcast address?
One three two po.
Correct. This is still 2. This is slash 30 pa rin. So, copyhin na lang natin. Okay. First usable.
Dot 132.
130.
3.
3. Dulo.
134 po.
134. Broadcast.
135.
Are there any question on that BLSM table?
Sir, correction lang po sa last usable IP ng network D. Hindi ba po ba 126, hindi po dapat 16?
So galing tong 1... ayun 126. Hindi na isulat. That's correct, Miss Alamil. Thank you. That's a good observation, ha? Nice. Kita nyo, ang dami nyo dyan si Miss Alamil lang nakapansin. Yung iba, wala eh. Okay, that's correct. It's 127. Hindi ko lang na-type. Siguro pindot yung 2. Any other questions? Tanong? Okay. Sir, ganyan po ba yung tanong sa quiz? Yes, may ganyan. May table. Pero kadalasan ang tanong ko doon ganito. Okay. Tatanungin ko kayo, ha? Tingnan natin kung masasagot nyo. What is the network address of an IP 172.16 dot 45 3 slash 20. What is the network address of an IP address 172.16.45.3 slash 20? Anyone? Dueñas.
Sir, it's 172.16.30.0.
30.0?
Ay, no po sir, 32 po.
32. How did you know that? Tinignan mo yung table.
Yes po.
Sa exam po, hindi nyo kailangan gumawa ng table para malaman yung sagot. Kasi if you are going to tabulate it, aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam. Kung bibigyan kita ng 50 questions na ganito, do you plan to create a table para makuha yung sagot? That's a nice observation, ha? Tinignan mo. Nasaan ba tong range na to? 172.16.45.3. Nasaan yung range na yan? Nandito yan, di ba? Sa pagitan ng 32 at saka 47. Correct? Tama ba, Mr. Dueñas?
Yes po sir.
Kaya mo nakuha yung sagot. Okay. Now, without looking at the table, how would you know? Itago ko yung table. Paano mo malalaman ngayon? Let's say hide. How would you know? Anyone? May tinuro akong shortcut, di ba? Ano yung shortcut uli? Anyone who knows the shortcut? Paano ko makukuha ang network address ng isang IP address? Ano yung isang way? Kailangan mong i-convert sa binary. Okay? Tapos, i-AND natin sa subnet mask na naka-binary. Makukuha mo yung network address. Yun yung isang solution. Tama ba? Hey. People, are you still there?
Yes po, sir.
Ganyan po yung mga tanong ko sa exam. Okay, intindihin nyo. So, paano mo ito masasagot? Ano yung pangalawang shortcut? Yung pangalawang solution na tinuro ko, aside from ANDing, I don't want to use that. I want the easiest way possible and the fastest way possible. Ano yung pinakamabilis na paraan? Using host bits 0000 and 1111. Hey. Do you have an idea, Mr. Dueñas? Oh, Vinasquez, sorry. Vinasquez. Do you have an idea?
Sir, yung idea ko po is yung same lang po sa binary na lahat po sila, you're gonna use the mask po na /20. That's the only idea I have po. Yung parang 1111, that one, yung diretsong 1. Tapos
Lahat i-convert mo sa binary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Old method. Kaya nga tinuro ko yung shortcut, di ba? Hindi nyo iniintindi yung shortcut. Okay. Ano yung shortcut? Okay, here. Sige, gawin natin yung long method para nakikita nyo. Ano yung long method? 172. What is 172 in binary? Di ba? Isa natin. 172.16.45.3. Yung isa is 255.255.255.0. Slash 20. Slash 20 is 255.255.240.0. Okay. Ano yung binary equivalent ng 172? 128, 0, 64, that's already 128 plus 64 is ilan na? 160. Correct?
Yes po.
Ilan pa kailangan natin?
12.
12. So 0, 8, 4, 12. 0, 0. Is that 172?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay. 16. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. 0. 16. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. 45. 0, 0, 32. 32 plus 16.
48.
48 po.
48. Sobra. Plus 8. 32 plus 8.
40 po.
40. Kailangan pa natin ng 5. 4, 0, 1. Is that 45?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes. How about 3? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. That's 3. Okay. How about yung 255? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dot. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, you are going to perform anding. Alala yung anding na tinuro ko? Hey. 1 and 1? 1. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, dot. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, dot. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Ayan ba yun? So this is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, dot 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is this? Ano to? This is 172. Dot 16. Dot
32.
32. That's 0. Okay? Slash 20. So, ito yung hinahanap nating sagot. Naintindihan? Yan ba yung sagot kanina? Tingnan natin. Unhide. Unhide. Parehas ba? Ayan yan, di ba? Kita nyo?
Yes po.
Kaya lang ang haba ng solusyon yan, mauubos yung oras mo. Di ba? Ilang minuto inabot natin para sagutan yan. Ano yung shortcut? Okay, here. Ibig sabihin nito, here's the shortcut. 172.1645.320 slash 20. Ibig sabihin, 172 is fixed, 16 is fixed. Nasaan yung slash 20? Anong octet yung slash 20? What octet is slash 20?
Third octet po.
Third octet. So yung third octet ang pakikialaman ko. 1, 2, 3. Slash 20. This is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. Dot host. O, i-present ko na yung H na malaki sa 8 H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Anong sabi? What is 32 in binary? 32? Asan yon? Ito yung 32, di ba?
Yes po.
Yes po, sir.
Or ang gawin nyo, i-convert mo yung 32. I-convert natin yung 32 sa binary. Kunin na lang natin to. Ayan. Kukunin ko to. Pointer to. Isulat ko na lang to. Okay. Ito yung number mo. 172, 16, 45. Wala na akong pakialam sa dulo. Kasi gusto ko lang naman makita is yung third octet. Diba? Slash 20 is nasa third octet. Hanggang saan yung slash 20?
Third octet po.
Hanggang dyan. Correct?
Yes po.
So, ibig sabihin, the rest is zero ko. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that correct?
Yes po. Opo.
Oh, anong equivalent yan ngayon?
32 po.
Very good. Di ba mas madali yun? Naintindihan mo ba?
Yes po, sir.
Anong gusto nyo? Mag-solve kayo nito? O mag-solve kayo dyan? Di ba? The choice is yours. Pero sa quiz nyo po, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 60 minutes para sa 50 items na exam. Okay? Ganyan po yung mga tanong ko doon. Okay, let's have another example. Given the IP address 172.16 dot 55.253 slash 20. How many hosts are there in the network? Given the IP address 192.168.55.253 slash 20, how many hosts are there in the network? Oh, titingnan nyo naman yung table. Nasaan siya sa table? Anong network siya sa table? Anong subnet? Anong
C po.
subnet siya sa table? C. So, ang sagot ay 2046. Correct? How many networks or how many hosts are there on this IP? 2046. How did you get 2046? Nang hindi mo nakikita yung table, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. How would you get 200 or 2046 without looking at the table? Sorry, this is slash 21 pala. Naduling ako. Tama na, slash 21 to. How would you look at it without looking at the table? That you'll be getting 2046. Hello po. An idea? Miss Isabella, go ahead.
Um, remaining bits from 21 is 11, so 2 raised to 11 is 2048 minus 2, so 2046.
Very good. Ganon ang mga diskarte sa buhay. Ayan, no, 2046. Nice. I love that exam. No? Ganyan ako gumawa ng tanong. Yung tipong mapapaisip ka. Alam mo, you know how to get the table. You know how to compute. For the entry on the table, tanggalin natin yung table, you compute the specific requirement. Okay? You spot it right. Okay, Miss Isabella. Very good. Are there any questions? Questions? Kumusta yung mga ganong tanong, guys? Kaya? Hey,
Sakto lang po, sir.
takbo lang. Okay. Ganyan po, yung mga tanong po ha, kaya kailangan yung i-master tong table na to kung saan ang galing yung mga yan. Well, anyway, so balikan ko yung attendance. Are there any questions with VLSM? Wala. Okay, ayaw magtanong. Sige na nga. Okay, so I'll get back to the attendance. Maybe who's late? Give me your surname, please. Those who are late. Walang late. Abinsay, are you here? Wala. All right, guys. So next week, I'm going to have the laboratory. Okay, I'm going to allocate the 2 meetings for the lab. Okay, so you will be divided into 2 batches. Dalawang batch. Tapos, while the first batch is doing something at the lab, yung second batch po ay magpapacket tracer. Okay? Magpapalit kayo. Now, kapag yung lab hindi nyo nagawa sa first meeting, I am giving you the chance, your last chance on the second meeting next week. Are we clear?
Yes po.
So kung nakuha mo na yung lab ng first meeting, okay na yun. You don't have to redo it. Kung hindi mo nakuha yung lab ng first meeting, you have the second meeting for the last chance. Okay? Fair enough. Huh? Alright. Now, I want you to see this topology here. Nakikita niyo po ba yung screen ko?
Yes po.
This is your topology sa laboratory. Okay? So, this is static routing, standard static routing. Okay? So, I guess I configured it both IPv4 and IPv6. So, as you can see here, these are dual stack topology. But we will be only configuring IPv4. Now, I want you to watch this video lecture. As what I'm saying, this is your exact topology next week. So if I were you, you're gonna do that on your packet tracer. Ayan. Okay? So you try to visit San Telmo sa YouTube. Ako po yan. Okay? And then you see the demo here. Ang dami kong demo dyan. Ano? Kaya lang, this is advanced. So you have to focus on the standard static route. Okay? Kung gusto niyo pumasa sa lab, yung activity sa lab, ito po yung solution. Ayan, binigay ko na yung solution. Yeah, Mr. Benasquez.
Sir, same lang po ba yung gagawin namin for both the lab and the packet tracer? Like ganyan po siya?
Yes. Yes. Testingin nyo sa packet tracer. Pag napatakbo nyo, i-actual nyo.
Copy, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Any other questions or clarifications? Okay, so yes, Mr. Felizardo, go ahead.
Sir, in regards po dun sa console cable, is it yung USB to RJ45 po or USB to micro? Dalawa po yung ano
Paulit-ulit
niya
na
eh.
tayo. Wala pong tumama sa sinabi mo. Walang tumama sa sinabi mo. Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na dadalhin nyo ay console cable, USB to mini USB. Okay, hindi po RJ. May marami pong RJ doon. USB to RJ or serial to RJ. Ang pinapadala ko po ay USB console. Ito po yung dulo. Oh, ganito. Oh. Ayan, ang dulo. Oh.
Okay po, sir.
USB.
Thank you po.
Hindi po yan mini USB ha. Hindi po yan USB-C. Yan yung sa mga digital camera. Alam niyo ba yung digital camera? Dati? Yung luma?
Yes po.
Ayan yung dulo. Oh. Okay, ang mahal niya, no? 60 pesos. Isa lang po ang magdadala sa group ha. Hindi lahat ng member ng group po yung magdadala. Isa lang po. So baka pwede na kayo maghiraman doon. Okay? Kasi walang ganyan sa laboratory. May ganyan man sa lab ko, konti lang. So baka mag-agawan kayo. So magdala kayo ng sarili. Alright? Yes, Mr. Dulias, sorry. Mr. Dulias, you have a question?
Sir, to clarify.
Wala ka, Mr. Dulias. Mr. Dulias, nawala yata.
Hello, sir?
Yeah,
Hello,
go ahead.
sir? Sir,
Yes, hello. Hi.
Hi, sir. To clarify lang po, kapag nagawa na po yung lab activity nung first day, hindi na po kailangan gawin the second lab activity?
Hindi na. Yes, hindi na. Nagawa mo na eh, di ba? So, ibig
Okay,
sabihin,
yes.
perfect ka na nun. Pag nakuha nyo yung activity ng first take, the highest possible score is a perfect score. Pag nag-retake ka, ang highest score mo po ay 40 na lang, over 50. Kaya, patakbuhin nyo sa first take. Okay? Okay, Mr. Figueroa, go ahead.
Sir, gaano kahaba pinagdalhin mo na?
Gaano kahaba yung?
Kailangan dalhin mo.
Napuputol ka, Mr. Figueroa. Para ka nasa ilalim ng lupa. Asan ka ba? Para ka nasa kuweba.
Ano po, gaano kahaba po yung,
Napuputol
ano po, yung dadan? Sorry po, parang mahina yung siguro ko na yun Gaano kahaba po sir
Gaano
yung
kahaba?
kailangan dalhin po? Yung USB po.
Long enough para umabot yung computer mo or yung laptop mo sa router.
Sige po. Thank you po.
So, you can bring your laptop para mag-configure ng router doon. Lagyan nyo po or installan nyo po ng Termuse. Okay? Yung mga laptop nyo, lagyan nyo ng Termuse. Ayan. Okay? Ginagamit po yan para mag-connect sa routers. No? Ayan, Termuse. Okay? Ayan. Any other questions? Okay. So, mag-i-enable ako ng activity for today. You'll have an activity for today, 10.3.4 and 10.4.3. Okay? I'm going to activate it until 11:59 p.m. tonight. May 30 yan. Paki-check po sa inyong mga account sa Blackboard kung na-access nyo po yung dalawang to. Alright, pakicheck po. Yung dalawa, 10-4-3 at saka 10-3-4. Practice niyan. It's a packet tracer activity.
Accessible po, sir.
Okay, very good. So, kung na-access, I guess I'm done for today. So, kindly submit it before 11:59. Otherwise,